Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. In this video we are going to master quicksort, an elegant sorting algorithm inside of Python. So quicksort is a powerful divide and conquer sorting algorithm that works by selecting a pivot element and partitioning the array around it. Elements smaller than the pivot go to the left while larger elements go to the right, and this elegant approach makes quicksort one of the most efficient sorting algorithms available with an average time complexity of 0. So what is the quicksort in Python step-by-step implementation? And then quicksort actually follows these key steps. One, choose a pivot element, which typically the rightmost element, and then partition the array around this pivot and recursively sort the subarrays on either side. While quicksort has a 0 and log n average performance, it can also degrade n square or in parentheses n square in worst case scenarios, typically when the array is already sorted or contains many duplicates. Here's an example for you to try out, play around with in the VS Code, where you can try out this and let us know how it actually went for you. Thank you for watching this video.